Welcome to another series of poetry with the US30 trader, bringing you poetry, live trading. Kindly subscribe and click the notification button as we grow the channel. So we're looking at the US30, and I have a bullish bias today. As you can see, I'm already in the trade and it is running. You know what is happening here in this series? As you all know how we kill this thing. It's accumulation. We had our accumulation phase here, and during the agent session where we don't trade, and we had a manipulation to the downside. So that's what we want to see, a manipulation to the downside, taking out the previous daily low. So but the area that I was targeting for entry, it's this order block. You see this order block, the last bearish candle on this move, on this swing low, this last bearish candle, it's your order block. So this is where you want to take the trade, on this order block, and that's where I took the trade. And currently we are on a expansion phase. I was anticipating for price to move further and take out this low here, and take out this low. So yeah, but price didn't come here to take out the low. It only, it was held by the order block and it started to rally. So yeah, and we are targeting the previous daily high, 20 pips above it. Of course, if you want to hold further, you can hold further. It is really up to you. It is not important where they distribute, but you just want to capture the range. Your focus is just 20 pips above the previous daily high. So poetry, and it's so evident. So the London kill zone, it forms the low of the day. This is where the low of the day formation take place during the London kill zone. And the New York kill zone, it marks the expansion or a pullback and a further expansion. Also, the New York section can also mark a minor reversal. For example, yesterday I took a trade here, and then I held and I scaled out minor profit here. And during the New York session, look what happened. It went back to take out everyone who was long here, and it rallied up and distributed. So during the New York session, you might as well see like crazy pullback. If there was a rally during the London session, so you need to anticipate a massive pullback on the New York session. For example, also you see a rally, New York session, this deep pullback, taking out this low and rally up, then distribute. So that's what you should anticipate. Also here you see an expansion, deep pullback. And so if you were, let's say you have entered maybe around here, you're going to be squeezed, you're going to be taken out. So that's what you must take into consideration. So the expansion phase is the beginning of the range, which commences on the London kill zone and it moves through to the New York kill zone. Of course, the New York can also have a further expansion, as you have seen how price behave on other times, where you see a further expansion either to the upside or to the downside during the New York session. So yeah, this is poetry and it's so evident. Let us look what forms the bias of this trade. So this trade, it derives from this bias. It derives from here, as you can see that we are on a bullish trend, and the long-term high, it is this one. So this is our long-term high. So price is trying to reach this long-term high. Price was held here on this order block, and it pulled back towards this order block, as you can see, and formation of a swing low. And as you can see, there's an upside flow of orders. So price is trying to reach this swing high, this previous swing high. It's a long-term high that was formed when there was this bearish trend. So it is targeting this area. So this area, it acts as a draw on liquidity where buy stop resides. This is a buy side liquidity because the people who are going short here, because price moved, you can see price moved, but the people who are going short here, they place their stops, above this high. So an area of a swing high is a long-term high, previous weekly high, previous daily. It really act as a draw on liquidity. It magnets and draw price to that particular level. So yeah, this is how this trade is framed. It is framed on higher time frame. And if it is framed on higher time frame, then on the lower time frame, then we anticipate to look for the power tree, the power tree accumulation, or institutions, they accumulate orders, and there's liquidity above and below. So it came and clear up the liquidity below of sell stop, below the Asian low, how and price get held on this order block, this bullish order block here, and expand to the upside, and if it expand to the upside, then the New York session will form the high of the day. The New York session will form the high of the day. So this is poetry brought to you by the Auto Cyclic Trader live, and it's amazing. So I'm still holding the trade. I hope this series is impacting your trading career positively as you see things happening live, and I hope that I'm contributing into your trading career positively. I wish you all the best in your trading career. We'll see each other again on another series of poetry. Kindly subscribe and click the notification button. I'm signing out.